Well, that's a good view. A little private gym, a little small gym action. Inner strength athletics, baby. Here in Ajax. Obviously, if you watch this, you probably watch David's stuff, so you've probably seen at least his videos, I would say, at this point. Me and Fit Mike B, about to hit a leg day, but this place is a vibe. It's, dude, what day is it? Friday? Friday morning, 11:21. But yeah, it's dope. No one's in here, so like, we got it going. There's like crazy ass sound systems. Our sound system for music, so like, this is like some literal, I don't even know, like concert hall ass quality, but yeah, you can just Bluetooth your phone. It's a vibe and a half. I guess a powerlifting and like athletics kind of sports gym, but truthfully there's everything we need here, at least for me, so it's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm gonna start hitting legs, so enjoy. Dummy boys clowning the music, bro. Crickets out here trying to squat, bro. Yo, this DJ sucks, bro. Alright, so realizing that I've been here for pretty much an hour of only, whatchamacallit. I have only warmed up, filmed, taken pics. So time to be a muscle dummy again and lift some weights. Okay, I'm weak. Dude, I hate squatting, but I like doing legs. But I just hate that I suck at squatting. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to stick at 2 plates, just try to keep like a good, I think like 6 to 8 range. I could do more. I'm just trying not to like ego lift, I guess. Just try to kind of get stronger. I'm doing more like 4 working sets, 4 to 5 working sets now. Really pushing, really, goddamn, okay.
He's texting me to go get his dog because he's just chilling by the front door all sad.
Oh, we get to chill with fucking River, that's dope. River, come!
Come on, let's go.
River, come on!
Let's go.
Hey, buddy! Hi, boy! Hey, fuzzy!
Come on, buddy. Wanna help me deadlift?
Gym dog. Come on, bud. Come. It's okay, I'll be back. We're hitting legs. Uh-oh. Oh shit! Yo, dead ass.
Just understand, we get the job done.
The fuck is this, bro?
Contraption. Fucking duct tape, buddy.
Jesus Christ, bro. What? Idiot. Jesus Christ. Alright, peeps. Just murdered legs. Branson's still working his. I'm about to cut. I'm about to skedaddle. Dude, did you even notice this? Why is
Get a
there
squirrel. Easter egg of the gym.
gym egg? Christ, my legs are so almost ate shit. I guess this is a little what, like sleepy time part of the vlog. Honestly, guys, yeah, I guess I've been struggling pretty bad. Kind of in the dumps. Feeling a bit low lately, you know. I've been putting, I feel like, a shit ton of stuff on myself for months now. You know, obviously I miss my grandma. That woman did tons of stuff. It's like insane to think of, like all the things she kept up with and made sure was done and whatever, and I'm like trying to do a fraction of it, and also I'll, like, you know, be my own person, live my own life, and it's tough, man, but that's what I want to do. I want to try to help and take care of my family, so I guess doing the best I can, but I'm missing her. So I think obviously heart's kind of heavy lately, feeling a little burnt out, I guess, with work and the stuff I'm doing, and obviously wanting to make more money. Feel like I'm progressing a bit more with things. I guess on the spot where I think I might be doing some videos for like kind of like a friend from the gym, but like home reno stuff. And then I don't know, I might also just work on pricing and whatnot, and try to reach out to some real estate people, and who knows, yeah, maybe just really start pushing my own brand for this video stuff. Maybe that's the route, because it's kind of crazy right now. Like, you know, I've been applying to jobs, things of that sort, but it's tough. I'm like, I'm not getting no bites right now, so stressing a little, but it is what it is. I feel like I don't really do this too often. Just long rants of actually how I'm feeling. You know, because yeah, not every day is an easy grind, a good grind. Let's say good grind, but an easy one. I don't know. I guess it kind of brings me truthfully to like, whether it's like God, whatever the hell you believe in. I don't mean that disrespectfully, obviously, but if you like truly have faith or believe in something, right? You shouldn't really be stressing. You shouldn't really be fearing or fearful, or I think, you know, you should kind of have that strong faith in itself that everything will pan out how it should. Kind of everything you're working for, like, you'll achieve it. So I don't know, just stay grounded, stay level, stay in the moment, just stick to the plan, you know. So I guess that's what I'm trying. That's where I'm at right now. Just sticking to the plan. Keep doing the little things that I can each day to keep progressing and getting better. But not the greatest right now, but we're grinding, we're pushing. So that's all that's important. Each day we're getting better, guys. So I'll catch you. This was just a small little check-in. I'm gonna try and pump out more vlogs, kind of thing. Keep them shorter, keep them faster. Entertaining, get some good shots, good angles, but I already know. I'll catch ya. Talk to you soon.